So today I'm going to talk about the Karma Scents Incense Sticks. It comes with this sparkly holder, and the holder itself was attached right here when I bought it, so I just peeled it off and here it is in use. And this is one of the incense sticks that I have lit already. Incense is great for aromatherapy. It's great for yoga, meditation, just healing, soothing, prayer. I like to put on some music, light some incense, and meditate. And it is the musk scent. They have a variety of different ones, and this one is musk. And the other scents have different packaging as well, different colors, but they all come in this long box. All of this is very relaxing to me. These are hand blended and they are rolled in India, which is really nice. They're about 40 in a box. Obviously, I have used up some of them already, but that's a lot in one box if you ask me. Each box comes with a matching holder, so depending on what scent you got, you get a different color holder and it matches. I use a match to light them. Musk so far is my favorite scent with this brand. I think that it just has such a soothing and nice scent. I bought this while I was shopping for candles, and I got it about 1 week ago. I always have incense. I have like a huge collection of incense, but I always have some. I never go without it. I love having some around to use. My yoga friend first introduced me to incense. It comes in a long cardboard box, and the sticks are wrapped together with this plastic right here. And this holder has a variety of different holes. You can choose which one you want to stick your stick into. The downside, of course, is that you're going to need something to kind of catch these, and it's also a safety thing. But this is just to show you. Yeah, so as you can see, I use the middle hole right here, but you can use different ones, and you can kind of change the angle. And what you do is you put it in the holder, just like that, and then you take a match and you light the top, and then you blow out the candle and it starts smoking like this, and you can kind of see what it looks like here, but it will continue to descend along the stick. It contains all individual ingredients and natural ingredients, essential oils, herbs, and wood gums. And I like to light incense when I'm having like a sensual experience as well. It's just very nice for the vibe, especially with my boyfriend. I don't let kids near it or pets. I usually just light it when I'm on my own or with him because it can be dangerous. I mean, you're still lighting something on fire for a sec. Always burn it away from flammable items. And it doesn't burn as quickly as many of the other types of incense that I have. It lasts a lot longer, and it's really nice if you're just trying to sit for a few hours, and it just takes its time, you know? It's a great gift idea. They also sell vanilla, lavender, jasmine, rose, patchouli, and sandalwood. Sandalwood is my second favorite. I would definitely recommend that one. It's just such a great gift idea, especially for someone who's into yoga or meditation. And I store them in a drawer with my other incense. I don't travel with this. I don't think I need to, especially since, you know, it lights on fire and I don't usually find time on my travels. But if you are like a big yogi and you really like this kind of thing, I mean, you could easily stick it in your bag, but I definitely would keep it in my luggage, not my carry-on. And these can also be found in different places, so, you know, it's still like something that lights on fire, it's still flammable. Yeah, just keep that in mind when you're going into an airport. It doesn't really fit in my purse. They're too long And Karma Scents makes many different incense products with beautiful packaging, I gotta say. I mean, I love this design. And I love that it comes with a holder. That is so great. Even if it's not like the best, most well done holder, I mean, at least it comes with something. And this is also nice if you're going to a friend's house and you're bringing incense. It's nice that you bring something cheap like this that you can just kind of stick your incense in, and you don't have to worry about losing it or anything like that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that if you like incense, you try this. This is so great, especially musk. Thanks.